Okay, so you're going to practice downloading this file. It'll download like into like an Excel, and then you'll have to save it into a sheet. So you'll see what I mean in a minute. So this one's already in Google Classroom for you. So when you go to Google Classroom and you're in week 2, it's going to be where you are, the organizing Google Drive, and it'll be right here, the lottery Powerball numbers. Okay, so it's going to say, hey, open with Sheets. Now, it's going to open with Sheets, but it's still in an Excel file. So what you want to do is you want to get it into a Sheets file, okay? So you're going to go to File, and it's going to be Save as Sheets. Now once you save it as Sheets, I'd like you to take it and put it into your week 2 folder. Oh, hold on one second. So once you have it here, I want you to move it to your week 2 folder. And there you go, then you're all set.